Hi all, my name is Bhushan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS institutions. So as a part of the curriculum, we are supposed to have a session which is based on design thinking and a case study video. So now my students are here to present you a case study activity video. This is actually like a Q&A session. My students will be asking certain questions and they'll be having some answers, and it will be a fun activity. So the topic which we are going to cover today is Bayesian networks. So Bayesian networks is one of the concept in which it has been introduced under the concept of machine learning and deep learning concepts. So this is born just for the classification of all those processes in an efficient way. So whatever we are taking, those processes have to be classified accordingly, and all those processes will be involved with the probabilistic value. So yes, students, you can have a short quiz based on this topic.
Hello everyone, I'm Shantini. So first of all, what is Bayesian network? Bayesian network is a graph model that represents the relationship, probabilistic relationship among the variables. Each nodes represent the variable and the arrows represent the dependencies. So the scenario is diagnosing pneumonia in the hospital. In hospital, the patients are diagnosed by pneumonia are calculated using Bayesian network. The variables are P, F, C, and X. P stands for pneumonia, F for fever, and C for cold. X is for X-ray result, which may be positive or negative. If the patient is diagnosed with pneumonia, they might have fever and cold. If the patient is diagnosed with pneumonia, they will have the X-ray result as positive.
Yes. அப்போதான் வந்துட்டு
So the patient has pneumonia, 0.1%, which is 10% of patients have pneumonia. So they may have fever, cold, and X-ray result is positive. So these are the percentage values of the patients having pneumonia.
Hi, myself Afzal. I'm here to ask some question to Yoshri, which Priyadashini will give him. Can you draw a descriptive structure of this Bayesian network? Which variables are directly dependent on pneumonia?
Think about which symptoms or test results occur because of pneumonia.
Answer. In this question, P is a parent node, P is a pneumonia, P determines F and P determines C. So P is a parent node and C and F is a child node. This is the answer.
good.
Next question. What is the probability that a person has both fever and cough given they have pneumonia?
Yes. So, hint is it when variables are conditionally independent of given formula, if P F is yes and C is yes and P is yes, equal to P is equal to F equal to S and P into S into P of C equal to S and P equal to S. This is a formula for given questions.
And here's my answer. As Shantini gave the data already, P of F is equal to S. That is, fever is S and cold is also S and the probability is also S. Then we can multiply both the values, which is 0.85 into 0.80, which gives 0.68. That is 68%. That is the probability.
Good. Then, do you have any other questions to ask?
I'm going to ask questions to Axel. Explain how this Bayesian network helps doctors make better diagnosis decisions than just checking symptoms manually.
And I'm giving you a hint that think about how Bayesian reasoning updates possibilities as new evidence, like X-ray results likewise.
Answer. The Bayesian network combines
இருங்க ஆன்சர் வந்து நீங்க
Bayesian network combines multiple of certain evidence like fever, cold, X-ray probabilities. Thank you.
the answer for the question. So this is how the Bayesian networks actually works. It has more probability, it has more negation statements, it can have n number of statements. So based on certain formulas and certain basic variables, we'll be able to find out the answer of what is what and how it is being executed. So yes, well done students, you have done a good job, and it is actually a good trial of how Bayesian networks could be done. So as of now, I guess that you people have understood the topic in an efficient way, right? So yes, as of now, thank you. Have a good day.